Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Hydrogenation turns liquid oils into solid fats by adding hydrogen to carbon chains. Let's quickly break down the chemistry behind this common food industry process. First, we look at the chemical reaction where hydrogen atoms are added to the fatty acid tails. This specific addition breaks the carbon-carbon double bonds found in liquid unsaturated fats. Next, removing those double bonds transforms the bent unsaturated chains into straight saturated chains. These straight tails allow the lipid molecules to align perfectly and pack together much more tightly. Finally, dense packing increases intermolecular forces, shifting the substance from liquid to solid. This makes option A the winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and remember that saturation leads to denser molecular packing.